The Ashoka Chakra in the national flag symbolizes what? Answer is Dharma, righteousness. The diameter of the Ashoka Chakra extends approximately to the width of which band of the national flag? Answer is white band. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with respect for the national flag and national anthem as a fundamental duty? Answer is Article 51A. Which of the following is not a color in the national flag of India? Answer is India blue. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly when the national flag was adopted? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The wheel in the center of the national flag replaced which earlier symbol? Answer is Charkha, spinning wheel. The national emblem was adapted from the lion capital erected by which Mauryan ruler? Answer is Ashoka. Which animal appears immediately below the visible lion on the right side of the national emblem? Answer is horse. Which animal appears immediately below the visible lion on the left side of the national emblem? Answer is bull. The words Satyamev Jayate are written in which script below the national emblem? Answer is Devanagari. Jena Gana Mana was originally composed in which language? Answer is Bengali. The English translation of Jena Gana Mana was prepared by whom? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. The national song Vande Mataram was first published in which year? Answer is 1882. Which movement popularized the singing of Vande Mataram throughout India? Answer is Swadeshi movement. The Bengal tiger is scientifically classified under which family? Answer is Felidae. Which Indian state has the highest population of Bengal tigers according to recent tiger censuses? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which bird is famous for its elaborate courtship dance and is India's national bird? Answer is Indian peacock. The national flower lotus is commonly associated with which deity in Indian tradition? Answer is Goddess Lakshmi. The banyan tree reproduces mainly through what? Answer is aerial prop roots. Mango is popularly known as the what? Answer is king of fruits. The Ganges River dolphin mainly inhabits what? Answer is freshwater rivers. Which of the following is not a month of the Saka calendar? Answer is Falguni. The national calendar of India is used along with which other calendar for official purposes? Answer is Gregorian calendar. The Indian elephant was declared the national heritage animal in which year? Answer is 2010. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Answer is National River, Ganga. The national flag of India is made from which material as per BIS specifications? Answer is Khadi, handspun and handwoven. Which freedom fighter is most closely associated with the design of the national flag? Answer is Pingali Venkaiah. The Ashoka Chakra on the national flag represents what? Answer is Eternal Wheel of Law. Which color occupies the topmost position in the national flag? Answer is saffron. The lion capital, from which the national emblem is adopted, is located at where? Answer is Sarnath. How many animals are carved on the circular abacus of the original lion capital of Ashoka? Answer is 4. Which animal is shown between the Dharma chakras on the lion capital? Answer is elephant, horse, bull and lion. Satyamev Jayate is written below the national emblem in which language? Answer is Sanskrit. Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize for Literature in which year? Answer is 1913. The national anthem was originally composed under which title? Answer is Bharat Bhagya Vidhata. The first stanza of Jana Gana Mana was adopted as the national what? Answer is anthem. Vande Mataram was originally written in a mixture of which languages? Answer is Sanskrit and Bengali. Which among the following is the national animal of India? Answer is Bengal tiger. The national bird of India belongs to which biological family? Answer is Phasianidae. Lotus is primarily associated with which type of habitat? Answer is aquatic. Which of the following trees is known for its long life and aerial roots? Answer is banyan. Mango belongs to which botanical family? Answer is Anacardiaceae. The scientific name of the Ganges River dolphin is what? Answer is Platanista gangetica. Which ministry declared the Ganga as the national river of India? Answer is Ministry of Environment and Forests. The Saka calendar was officially adopted by the Government of India in which year? Answer is 1957. The last month of the national calendar, Saka calendar, is what? Answer is Falguna. The Indian currency symbol was officially adopted in which year? Answer is 2010. Who designed the Indian rupee symbol? Answer is D. Udaya Kumar. The Indian rupee symbol is a combination of the Devanagari letter Ra and which English letter? Answer is R. Which of the following is correctly matched? Answer is national flower, lotus.